Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to add the fasteners to the fence. So today we'll take a look on how to fix the fasteners to the wooden pickets. The vertical columns which are attached to the railings are called as the pickets, and on back of it you have the horizontal railings, and horizontal railings are connected to the vertical columns which are inside the land. So as you can see, this is the fence and this is the vertical post. It is also called as the post. It is vertical and it is dug and it is deep in the sand, and that's how this is providing support to this horizontal wood. This is called as railing or rail, and on top of the railing we have something which is called as the picket. So there are two parallel railings. So basically, when you are connecting the railing to the post, you need to connect with very strong fasteners, and that's why screws are used. So once again, screws are used in order to fasten the railing to the post, and this provides very fixated and very strong fastening. And what kind of screws need to be used is you need to use exterior screws basically, because exterior screws are galvanized and they do not rust, and the health of the screws will be very good for a very long time. And the same is because it does not rust, it will not cause harm to the wood of the railing. And another thing is, if you want to fasten the picket to the railing, then you need to use something which is called as nails, but not all the nails. You need to use the ring shank nails, because the ring shank nails have grooves like screws and they provide extreme support against the wind, which can be up to 35 miles per hour or 55 miles per hour, especially in some of the rural areas of Texas where there are high winds. You need to have very good fastening of the fence, and that can be provided by the ring shank nails, which are exterior nails and which have grooves like screws. So that's about the fasteners that are used on the pickets and the railings and the post. So let's see one. In order to fasten the pickets onto the railings, we use these nails. So these are also called as exterior nails or deck nails, and it has to be of the type ring shank. So as you can see, there are grooves like screws over here, and this is about 3-inch nails. If you get 2.5-inch nails, then those are preferred. In order to fasten the railings to the post, you can use the screws, and these are the exterior screws which are galvanized and non-rust material. So these are again 3-inch, and if it is 2.5-inch, then it is preferred.